guys, Evergreen Fly Guy. Down in the basement, I'll do a video for you guys. It's gonna be an interesting one. So, let me show you what we got going on here. So I ordered a Googan Gold Series rod, about a week ago. Just now received it, and I wasn't alerted at all. It was in my driveway. Luckily, my wife came home and found it before something happened to it. As you can tell, it's got a crack in it here, and this is, if you can tell, pretty stout stuff, and it has a crack in it. So I'm guessing this happened during travel through the postal service. And as you can see, I haven't done anything. This is not a me thing. It's all sealed up here with the tape at the top, and all sealed over here at the bottom. We are gonna open it up together and see if I can. We're gonna open it up together and see if there's any damage, and we're gonna capture my reaction if there is. I have heard of this happening, because it does happen. I mean, you can take a gamble when you order a rod online. You really do. Hopefully everything's okay, but we're gonna find out together. I'm gonna set the camera down and lean this up so I can kind of open it correctly, and we'll get into it. So just one second, guys. How the best way. I'm kind of peeking in here to see if I can see any damage. I don't know if it'd be better to pop it open from the top or finish cutting around the side. I think it's going to be better to get it from the top. Now the real question becomes, did I get a knife or something to get this? All right, one second. Oh gosh. Ah, there it goes. Okay, I see the rod. I guess I'm just gonna try to get it going forward a little bit here, so it's grabbable. There we go. Well, starting out, I'm not seeing any damage. Okay, all right, we're looking good. Oh, got a little more room. There we go. Okay, we can lay the tube down over here. So, right now I'm not seeing any damage to this guy at all. We got bubble on the end and on the tip, so let me get the tip cleared away first, I guess. That's pretty easy. Take it out. And let me grab this bubble wrap off the end here. Oh, they got it taped together down here. There we go. And then we got the plastic rod sheath over it. Everything's still looking pretty good. I don't see any cracks or anything so far. Jeez. Okay, let me make a gap right here. My little trash box there. Nothing left in here. Okay, guys, we are left with it. Here we go. The Googan Squad Gold. And this is the go-to, if you can see that there. Wow, that's awesome. They even have it, I'll pick up the camera and show you guys. They even have it rated right here. They have the reaction, twitch, muscle, finesse, all of it, like labeled on the side there to let you know. I like that lure keeper. And I like the speckled gold right here. The catchco there, that's a comfy grip. Okay. Just look at that. And I didn't see any cracks or anything. So, oh look, and they got the Googan Squad down here. And then they got their logo on the end. That's cool. Guys, it's kind of a gamble whenever you order a rod online, unless it's like a fly rod or a two-piece that you know is coming in a case. You know, you're taking a like that, something like that. You're taking a gamble, and everything came out all right. The tube was cracked, and you know that's gonna be no one's fault but the postal service, because you know, it's got the check marks where it left their warehouse. It's got the stickers that say fragile, so that just means somebody or something happened. I'm not gonna say it was a fault of somebody directly, but an accident might have occurred or something. But still, that would be on the side of the Postal Service. But it's really good to see that this rod is like outstanding and just looks phenomenal. I'm gonna take this tag off real quick and read it to you guys. Booklet right here to help you to understand. This is the go-to medium. It says 7 medium heavy fast recommended spinnermates jigs, bladed jigs, Texas rigs. And then how it works, it's got the go-to reaction, twitch, muscle, finesse. Then it has its ratings just like it had on the rod. And then right here it says this, it's all laminated gold in the gold series. Premium features and materials for lightweight rod with exceptional balance and control. Then it goes into it, it's seating and all that. It's composite, the blanks. That's awesome. That is really cool. Second, I'm gonna go get my reel. My reel is coming off that that one with the jig there. I owe it to that reel. It's been with me a long time. It's helped me catch a lot of fish. So we're gonna put it on a nice new rod. So just hold on one second. I have my reel on it. One thing that I noticed as I was putting the reel on it. So this is like you get that little click. It's like kind of like a ratchet in there that ratchets this down tight. And you can just hear the tension going up. I don't want to do it too tight. Obviously, it's very snug right there. But that's just so cool. I've never seen that on another rod. I'm sure there's other ones that have that type of system, but I've just never seen it before. But yeah, there it is. I put my little baby firework jig on there just because it was on the other one, so you might as well transfer it over too with it. But oh my gosh, this is just a gorgeous rod. Gorgeous and fairly affordable. I mean, I didn't spend too much. I think with all the discounts and stuff, it was like a $90 rod, which is just really outstanding for the price. The quality for the price it is just, I have no other words. It's just beautiful. But okay guys, that has been it. That has been our rod, our Googan Gold Series go-to rod. And yeah, it looks awesome. It looks great. I have yet to be disappointed with any of the Googan products so far that I've been trying out. I was kind of skeptical to try their products at first, but I mean, got me into bass fishing really hard back before they had all this stuff. And it's really good to see them grow and help me grow too, actually, you know. So appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, go get yourself one of these rods. It's just awesome. And catch some fish, guys.